Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make sweet sticky rice with mango or ข้าวเหนียวมะม่วง Sweet sticky rice with mango, very popular Thai dessert and not a lot of ingredients and easy to make. And today I'm going to start with our sticky rice. I use 2 cups the sticky rice. Okay, for the sticky rice you have to wash them and clean them gently until the water come out clear like this. To remove all the extra stuff. Okay, and after you clean them until the water come out very clean like this, and you have to soak them at least 4 hours. Okay, and for me I already have my soak for 4 hours. And also when you clean them and when you use, you have try to be gentle so you not broke the sticky rice. Okay, and now I have my steamer ready and we're gonna steam over there. And you're going to need the cheesecloth like this. And for the cheesecloth you have to make it wet so that when you steam and the sticky rice not stick all in the cheesecloth, so I'm gonna have to make it wet first. Okay, just like this. Okay, and just like this, just a little bit wet. And now I'm going to put in the steamer with the sticky rice. I forget to stain our sticky rice, so okay, I'm gonna stain them right now. Okay, I forget to tell you I have to stain our sticky rice first. Forget this. Okay, I'm gonna remove them all. Okay, come back to my steamer again. Okay, and now I'm gonna put the sticky rice and then try to make the hole in the middle like this, so the steam can come out and cook all the sticky rice. And very important to soak your sticky rice at least 4 hours. If you not soak them, it's not gonna cook. The sticky rice not gonna cook all the way through. And also if you soak them too long, it will be mushy too. So at least about 4 hours, not more than 5 hours. Okay, now I'm gonna steam for 20 minutes. Okay, now our sticky rice be steaming about 10 minutes and I have another 10 minutes left. So now we're gonna come and make our sauce to put inside our sticky rice when it's done steaming. Okay, in the low heat I'm going to put 1.5 cup coconut milk, about 1 can, actually 1.5 cup. Okay, this is low heat. Alright. Okay, and I'm going to use a white sugar, 1 1/4 cup. Okay, and just pour in. Okay, and just mix the sugar and coconut until they dissolve. They mix well together. Okay, if you want, just leave the regular flavor or just a white color. So this is all we do, only sugar and coconut milk. But today I'm going to do the pandan flavor, but I don't have the fresh pandan leaf, so I use the pandan flavors, or pandan extract, whatever they call. I'm sorry. Okay, so the color, it depends if you want the more color or just a little bit of color. So I have to stick it right with me because I just want to put make sure I just want to not put too much. Okay, I think, let me see. Okay, that's it. This is a lot. This is gonna be like really green color, but so depend if you like the more green or red skin, depend. Right. Wow, this pandan is make it different. They make it smell really good. And I gonna have to bring the coconut milk and sugar to simmer. Okay, and now our coconut and the sugar is all dissolved and start to the simmer. Now it's done and perfect time our sticky rice is done too. Okay, now our sticky rice be steamed for about 20 minutes. Now come and check. Okay, see, now they done. Perfect. And when you soak the your cheesecloth, so now they not stick with the sticky rice. So this will be a little trick. Okay, and now I'm gonna remove. Okay, and now I going to remove the sticky rice and put in the bowl, and you have to have the bowl with the cover also. Okay, put, oh, this is perfect. Oop, oop, oop. Look, ooh, and they not stick with the cheesecloth at all. So this is perfect. And when they're still hot, when they're still very hot like this, you can pour the sauce, the coconut sauce, inside the sticky rice. Pour them inside. And you might thinking this is a lot of sauce, but you will let them cover and all the sticky rice will absorb all the sauce. Okay, let me just make sure the sauce it cover all the rice. Okay, just like this. Okay, and now I'm gonna use the cover and cover for 15 minutes, and we come back and check. Okay, and now being 15 minutes that we're waiting. Okay, and look, see it, all the sauce absorb all the, all the sticky rice absorb all the sauce. And now I'm gonna use the spatula to just mix them, put them on the bottom up to the top. All right, wow, and they're still hot, they still steam. Okay, this is looks so beautiful and smell really good. Okay, and now when I already mix the bottom up, put to the top, and now I'm gonna cover back again and wait another 10 minutes. Okay, and now for 10 minutes we're waiting for our sticky rice ready. Now we can make the topping. Okay, and for the topping I'm going to use the 1 cup of the coconut milk, or you can use more, it depends. Okay, and in the low heat. Okay, should be lower than this. Alright, have this topping have to be very low heat. Okay, and now I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Okay, a little bit of salt just to taste. I think you hear my baby the whole time. Now her sister take care of the baby. And to make the topping a little bit thicker, a little more thicker, I'm going to add just a little, about maybe half teaspoon the cornstarch. Okay, I'm going to mix it with the water. Okay, and for the cornstarch, if you want it, if somebody like it thicker, you like your topping thicker, you can add more cornstarch. But I want a little bit saucy, so I not add I don't want to add too much the cornstarch. Okay, so I just pour cornstarch inside the coconut milk, and coconut milk, salt, and cornstarch. Okay, and now I'm gonna give them the mix. This one have to be really low heat. We not want this we not want it to be too boiled. Okay, being about 5 minutes, and when they start a little bubble, start getting little bubble, it's like this. Okay, now we done. I'm gonna turn off the heat because we don't want the coconut milk to separate. Okay, and now we're done. Next, when we still wait for our sticky rice, now we can come cut the mango. Okay, now another 10 minutes. Okay, woo, look at how they are. It looks so beautiful. Okay, so now everything done. All we have to do now is just put them all together. Okay, I'm going to put our sweet sticky rice inside this little bowl. Oh my goodness, this how it looks so good. Okay. Oh, I dropped some. Okay, you can put the mustard you like. Alright, and now I'm going to put inside the plate. Come on. Yep. Alright, and now we're going to cut the mango. Wow, looks so good. I try to add a lot of mango, that's why I look all like this. And now I'm going to put the coconut sauce on top. Ooh, saucy. If you like it thick, sauce, you can add more cornstarch. Okay, and now you can topping with the toasted sesame seed, or if you have the yellow mung bean, the crispy yellow mung bean, that's how we do in Thailand also. Alright, that's all we done. All we have to do now, just finish this plate. Alright, now we done and I ready to try this. Look at all this. If you want to add more sauce, just go for it. I like a lot of sauce too. I might add a little more sauce, okay? And I'm gonna get, oh god, and a lot of sauce and pieces of mango. Oh, I can eat this again and again and again. I know this is a lot of people favorite for the Thai dessert, so and not difficult to making. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like this recipe, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.